Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Do you have a little pup that doesn't like going on walks? This is Lou, and he didn't. And the harder I would pull on his collar, the harder he would pull back. But that always sticks with this really nice leash and harness set by PUPTECK. When you're getting one of these, make sure you measure around your dog's head and neck because the neck part is not adjustable. But it's very easy to put on. It slips over their head, their leg goes through one side, and you buckle it around the other one. And then the part that goes around the chest is fully adjustable, so no matter what the girth is, it will fit. Another thing I like is that the leash clips on the top of the harness instead of the bottom on the collar, so it doesn't get caught around his legs nearly as much. On top of all the benefits, it's also adorable. Look at this beautiful beige plaid. It's nice having a very stylish dog around town. They even have tons of other patterns if you prefer a different look. The stitching is very secure, and I feel like the materials are all very high quality. If you're looking for a nice harness set to get your little pup to go on walks with you, this one has greatly improved our walking skills with our little Lou.
And that's our point of view.